Hello, this is an introductory video for the template 2. In this, I will show you how you can add the products in the template 2, how you can set your front page of the template 2, and some other functionalities. First, you have to log in Visionet with your user ID and account. Then you go to create website. Then you can go to add products page. Here you can add all the respective products, its image, its name, description, choose the category, MRP and the sales price, and also the shipping price. You can just choose the image, like you just have to go there and choose the image. You can see the chosen image here. Its name will be automatically stored in the database as your image name, image file name. You can add the product name and add like the description. I am filling dummy information. You can insert the respective information of that particular product which you are adding. Choose the category. You can choose the category, the price, sales price, and shipping. Just press submit and your product will be added. Similarly, you can add all the required products for your template. Then I can show you how to set up the template first page. Your template first page can be set up from this edit template to option tab. Sorry. Okay, here there will be three carousels and in your website, and you can set image for each of the carousel, and also you can select your website logo. Just have to click on the edit data. Here you can see there are 4 items in the drop down: logo, main image 1, 2, 3. This sequence will be your carousel's image sequence, and this will be for your logo. So if you want to select your first image, you can go and you can select the product name. This product name will be the products you have added from the add product page. You can go and you can select any of the product as you wish. Let me select, and once you update, you can see there is this new image. Similarly, for the second and third, you can select or update your products from here. And for the logo part, once you click on the logo, there will be a choose file option. Just choose on it and you select the logo. The logo will be chosen from your database, and just press update. Once you press update, your logo will be updated. And okay, and if you want to edit any information of already added product, you can go to the view product details page. Here you can write any product, like I just added a test logo. We can see here, press on its edit, you can see the added logo. Here you can change its name, price, description, uh, MRP, and you can also change choose some other image for your logo. And this is a active or inactive button. If you select it, if you keep it as active, your product will be active and shown will be on your database. And if you wish to do not show that product, you just select you just click on it and make it inactive. And that will be all for this template to setup and functionality page. Thank you.